Hello, and welcome to the BarTender video tutorials. In this video, we will introduce you to double-sided printing. Very simply, this means printing on both sides of your printer stock. You may also hear it called duplex printing, two-sided printing, or back-to-back printing. In the past, printing on both sides of a page involved manually reinserting your paper into the printer and processing multiple print jobs. Now, many printers natively support double-sided printing, typically with a duplexing mechanism that flips the item after the first side is printed and then runs it through the printer again to print the backside. BarTender supports automatic double-sided printing for printers with this capability. Let's take a look at the two key settings you should be familiar with to take advantage of double-sided printing in BarTender. First, if you want the backside of your document to have a different design than the front side, we need to tell BarTender to set up the template to have separate designs on the front and back. To do this, we go into the Page Setup dialog. On the Page tab, make sure that Separate Designs for Front and Back of Item Template is checked. If you want the same design on the front and back of your document, you do not need to check this option. When you close the Page Setup dialog, you have two different tabs at the bottom of the design area, one for each side of your document. Here is a completed double-sided document that is ready to print. You can see that we have different designs in each bottom tab. Now, for the second setting, we need to open the Print dialog. When we check the Print on Both Sides checkbox, BarTender tells your printer to activate double-sided printing. You are now ready to print your item. To recap, BarTender's key settings for double-sided printing are setting up a template with separate designs for the front and back in the Page Setup dialog, and activating the automatic double-sided printing capabilities on your printer in the Print dialog. If you still have questions about this process, consult the BarTender Help System or check out our other videos. Thank you for watching.